Welcome to everyone from English Boost Motivation. Today, I want to tell you something very simple. Learning English can change your life. Maybe you think English is difficult. Maybe you feel shy when you speak. Maybe you are afraid of making mistakes. But listen carefully. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. English is not just a subject. It is a skill. It is a bridge to the world. When you learn English, you can get better job opportunities, study abroad, watch international content without subtitles, speak confidently with people from different countries. At first, it feels slow. You forget words. You struggle with grammar. But every new word you learn is one step forward. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday. Practice a little every day. Speak, even if your English is broken. Read simple books. Listen to English daily. One day, you will realize the language that once scared you is now your strength. So believe in yourself. Start today. Stay consistent, because your future is waiting, and English can help you reach it. Thank you.
Don't give up. Your time is coming. There are moments in life when everything feels heavy. When the road seems too long, the dream too far, and you begin to question yourself. But remember, even the darkest night ends with the sunrise. What stops you is not your failure. It's the fear of failing again. Every great dream faces great obstacles. Falling isn't the problem. Refusing to stand back up is. The one who fights every day, who takes one more step even when tired, who tries again after being broken, that person becomes unstoppable. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you feel like nothing is working. Maybe life has pushed you to the edge. But hear this: the person who does not give up cannot be defeated. Every struggle you face today is shaping you, strengthening you, preparing you for what you asked for. If you're still trying, that alone proves one thing: you were not born to lose. Before the world believes in you, you must believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think. You are capable of more than you imagine. Your dreams chose you because you have the power to make them real. Small steps, taken every day, create massive change. Success isn't built in a moment. It's built in the quiet hours when you choose discipline over doubt. Start today. Start small if you have to, but start. And once you begin, don't stop. Because the day you decide to change, your future begins to change too. Someone out there is waiting to hear your success story one day. Don't disappoint them. Don't disappoint yourself. Your time is coming. Your moment is on the way. Keep moving, keep believing, and one day the world will be amazed at who you've become. Don't give up. You are unstoppable.